Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Parth.
My name is Suprit. So, what brings you in here today?
So I am recently graduated. I'm looking for a sedan. So I've looked
Okay,
at many like Hyundai's, Honda,
okay.
but something brings me here is the Toyota Corolla.
Mm-hmm.
So can you tell me more about that?
Sure, we have this beautiful Toyota Corolla. As you can see, this is the 24 model,
Right.
and this is the black trim. And mind if I ask you like which trim you are specifically looking for, or you can like mid-size.
Yeah, mid-size, anything
Beautiful.
mid-variant,
This is the mid-size.
mid-variant, anything like the LE or SE, something like
Okay,
that.
okay. So this is the LE mid variant.
Right.
So we have this beautiful LED over here.
Yeah, that's the LED headlight, right?
That's
With the
the
projected headlight beams.
yeah. This is the projector LED beams. This is the DRL with accent lightning.
Oh, that's really
This
nice.
car is in black, so you can't really see over here. So like if you buy a white color, you can see white inside.
Right, right, right.
Which is very beautiful.
Correct,
and
correct,
stunning.
correct.
So talking about this hexagonal grill, it's very beautiful and it adds more, like aggressive look to the car. This is also functional grill.
Oh,
Okay?
nice. So
So
the for the airflow.
for the
Air,
airflow, right?
oh, right,
For the airflow, and the engine doesn't get hot
right.
easily.
Correct, correct.
Okay. So let's pop up the hood, and I will show you what's inside the hood.
Yep, sure.
Come here.
Yep.
From there, this pull tab, you can pop up the hood.
Oh, okay.
Hearing the sound. Let's pop this hood up and see the power of this car. It's journey sketchy over here.
Yeah, you got it. Nice.
Yeah. So this car has beautiful, like 2.0 4-cylinder engine
Oh, right.
with sports mode. So it has power and economy. Okay.
Yeah, so that's the reason
As you're a
I'm.
teenager,
Yeah.
so you like to prefer high speed.
High speeds and like mileage
Mileage
oriented.
also, yeah. So this car has both. Uh, but the, one thing I don't like about this car is this mid-size don't have any damping. So you might or might not like get engine sounds in the cabin. So,
Oh, correct.
But doesn't matter. But
Yeah, that doesn't matter for like.
yeah.
I am like an enthusiast and I like some
Yeah.
sounds of the
I drive this
engine.
car and I sometimes like for minor second like I hear the sound, but it doesn't bother me. So let's close this. So let's come to the side profile of this car. We have 6 inches of tires, as this is a mid-size variant, so you don't get an option for alloy wheels. But if you go for higher variant, that is XSC,
Okay.
you will definitely get alloy wheels,
Right,
which is
right.
diamond cut.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, but you can install.
Yeah, but that's also fine. Like I don't see any value in the
you
alloy
can
wheels
also
currently.
stock aftermarket, like if you
Yeah.
are truly want to.
Correct, correct.
So this is the side view mirror.
Okay.
It is heated and ventilated.
Okay, may I see that?
Yeah. It's foldable.
Or
So-
auto fold, if I'm not wrong.
No, not auto foldable, manually.
Manual auto.
Yeah.
Manual fold. Okay.
If you opt for higher variant, there will be auto foldable.
Oh, right.
But this is manual, and this is also heated. So like when the snow freezes on it, you can just turn on the car and the snow will go away.
Correct, correct.
So this is a four. We have 2 doors on the other side. This is 4 doors.
So it's a four-door sedan.
Four-door
So how long is it?
It's around 4.6 mm.
4.6 meters. Right.
4.6 meters. So which is great.
Yeah, that's
you
really
can
nice.
maneuver this car easily on the turns and everything else.
Can you show me the back also?
Yeah,
The
sure.
trunk area?
This car has an interesting feature. This car doesn't have any button over here, so you have to. You see this? You have to hold
Yeah.
this button.
It's this one. Oh, the third button.
Third button. You have
Right.
to hold this button, and the trunk will pop up. Yeah.
So it's pretty fast.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's fast, and the trunk space is 470 liters, so it's pretty spacious.
Oh, right.
I mean, you can easily store 3 mid-sized bags. if
Yeah,
you
like
travel
I
a lot.
love to go for camping, and I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
that's pretty nice to keep all the bags and
Yeah, and even you can fold the
camping essentials.
Even you can fold the seats over here.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, you can fold the seats and you can even store more, big stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
Correct, correct.
So
Can you tell me more about the tail lights of this car?
yeah, tail lights, sure. These are LED tail lights, and this is the turning indicator. So
The turning and the
turning
reverse
indicator.
lights, right?
Yeah, the reverse lights are here. This
Oh,
is
right.
the turn indicator, and this is the beautiful LED tail light. It's seamlessly bound with the trunk and
Right.
the body.
Correct,
So
correct,
it's look
correct.
beautiful. And we have the Corolla badging over here, the Toyota badging over here, and the LE badging over here. This is the mid-size variant.
Right.
Yeah. So let me show you from the inside.
Yep. So should I come on the driver's end or the passenger end? Right.
You
Yeah.
can come on the driver's side.
Oh,
That will be
okay.
great. Yeah. So close the door first.
Yeah. Sorry, just a sec.
Safety first.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. So let me turn on this. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have this beautiful LED screen over here. This is 5.4-inch screen
Okay.
with all the controls. So when
So
you-
it's the Android Auto Apple CarPlay compatible?
definitely it's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. You can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto seamlessly with it. Just use a wire with it. And
Oh, that's the wired Apple Auto.
yeah, that's
Okay.
the wire, and you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly.
Right.
And we have this dual zone climate control AC. So like if the passenger is feeling like cold and the driver is feeling hot, you can control temperatures
Right.
accordingly so that the drive is more enjoyable.
Right. I like this, like the manual controls or the knobs and switches.
Yeah.
As in the modern cars, I have seen that there's touchscreen which is like distracting sometimes on the highways, right?
Yeah, I know, but you're getting like the Tesla, they only have screens
Yeah.
over there, so you get just distracted. And,
Yeah.
I got you, man. I got you. This is the old school style. We have this, like rotating sticks, and from here you can control the speed of the AC. From here you can control
Speed of the fan and the
speed
speed
of
of the AC, right.
This is the speed of the fan, and this is the
Speed
temperature.
of temperature
Yeah.
control, right.
And you got the front defroster, rear defroster. This is the airflow if you want on the foot, on the wind, or in the face.
Right.
This is the heat or cool economy.
Economy.
Yeah. And this is the airflow which keeps revolving in the car. And if you press this, fresh air will come inside the car. And this is the button for AC.
Correct.
And we also got ventilated seats.
So it's heated and ventilated, right?
Yeah.
So where is the?
Here you
Oh,
can,
that's the.
see that.
Oh,
the-
right. Can I?
Yeah, sure. Just press this and you will
Oh, right.
feel.
Correct. Nice. Yeah, that's tactile.
Yeah, that's tactile. This car has, best features in its price segment.
Correct.
So if you are feeling hot or either cold, you can just turn it on and off and see where it goes. And we have this two what you can say, like
Airflow
controllers, one on either side,
Right.
which is powerful, and two in the mid.
Right. Can you tell me more about the driver and the steering wheel,
sure.
MID?
So this is the steering wheel. As you can see, it has all the controls over here. From here you can turn on the what you can say, like
That's the cruise control.
and all the mode and the
So that's the, I think, the CarPlay
that's the
controls.
CarPlay. Yeah. Then
Right.
you can shuffle songs from here. This is the lane assist, and we have these functions to navigate.
Navigate the MID?
No. Yeah, you can also navigate the MID and also navigate
Oh,
the screen
right.
from here. This is the volume control over there. This is the call functions. You can.
It's also voice control as
voice
well. That's
control.
really
Yes,
nice.
You can activate like your Siri or Google Assistant from here.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, this is the back button. Again, this is the horn. And let's talk about the cluster. We have two mechanical cluster dials. This is the RPM. This is the speed. The inside dial shows you miles per hour, and the outside will show you kilometers per hour. And this is the screen, which generally displays the basic stuff like the door opens, or like if you're changing lane or everything else. And we have this temperature of the coolant over here.
Temperature of the engine coolant.
And, yeah,
Right.
and over here, the fuel gauge over here.
Fuel gauge
The
and
engine check light, and you
right.
can reset the cluster from here.
Oh, right. For the trip meter.
Trip meter, yeah.
Right,
definitely,
right.
Yeah. And
So it has got the hold function, auto hold function as well.
yeah, this is the e brake. It
Yeah,
doesn't have the
the traditional that.
traditional. No, it doesn't have traditional. This is the e brake. Just you have to lift this.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right. Since the car is
since this
on,
car not on, so
not
that's
on.
why
Right,
not
right.
working.
Correct,
It's
correct, correct.
automatically in park mode.
Correct, correct, correct.
That's why you don't get the traditional lever to
Yeah,
pull the brake,
right.
which is for convenience.
Can I see the rear camera as well?
The rear camera?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah, just sure. Just turn this.
Yeah,
Press the
sorry.
brake. Sorry. Press the brake. Yeah. Press the brake and just put the car in the reverse. Yeah, you can see that all it will display in the back. It will show the distance between the obstacles and the other stuff.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So let's
Put
get
this in
on.
parking mode. Turn off the car.
Turn off the car.
You have this beautiful 2 cup holders over here. You can store your drinks over here while you are driving. We also have this beautiful compartment where you can store your stuff. And this is also has power outlets, so you can charge your phone over with
Oh, right.
them, yeah. And this is the glove compartment. You can store your files and other precious things of like insurance and everything, like napkins over there. So let's talk about the rear. Let's go to the rear.
Yep, sure, absolutely. I'll just close this. Yeah.
Let's come inside.
Yep.
So how do you feel sitting back?
Oh, this is pretty nice, pretty comfortable.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
car,
even the thigh support is really nice.
yeah, this car is beautiful, like spacious legroom. So like even a tall person like 6 inches tall, he can even sit in this car comfortably without touching his head over to the roof.
Right. Yeah,
Yeah.
the roof line is really nice.
Yeah, and also this has the back cabin lights so that you can see things, your stuff at night times when there is dark. Which is beautiful. So I think I have explained everything about this car.
Yeah.
I hope you will buy this car.
Yeah, definitely. Like, can you tell me more something about the pricing and stuff?
Yeah, this car like generally comes in the price segment of like 45,000 k
For the highest end
for
variant,
the mid to highest.
mid to high variant. So I think the LE variant will be something around 30, 35,
Yeah, you can say that 35.
30, 35,
Maximum 38.
38 with all the taxes and
Depending
stuff.
on the variations.
Right, right, right.
Yeah. So it's closely.
Yeah, I'll think about it, and like I even have to check about my finances and stuff. So I'll call you in a day or two.
Okay, sure.
So thank you
Have a
very much,
great day.
Suprit.
Thank you.
It was pleasure meeting you.
Same way.
Likewise.